What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play This Is What Having a Massive Crush Feels Like by Clinton Kane. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. It uses 4 different chords throughout the song. I will have the diagrams for these chords in the pinned comment below if you need them. First one is an F. It's going to be index finger 8th fret on your A string, ring finger 10th fret on your D string, pinky finger 10th fret on your G string. Your next chord is a C. Now, you should get in the habit of playing these as bar chords, but you don't need to for this song. But this as a bar chord would be your 8th fret completely barred with your index finger, your ring finger on the 10th fret on your A string, your pinky finger on the 10th fret on your D string, and your ring finger on the 9th fret on your G string. Again, you don't have to bar the entire chord for this, but I would get in the habit of doing so. Just it's a good practice to do, and it will help build up your hand strength for when you do need to play full bar chords. But if you only do these first 3 strings, your E, A, and your D, that'll work just fine. Your next chord is going to be a D minor. It's going to be 10, mute, 10, 10. So that's middle finger 10th fret on your low E string, kind of lay it on the A string so it mutes it. Ring finger 10th fret D string, pinky finger 10th fret G string. Then final chord is a B flat major. Again, you don't need to bar the entire chord, but I would get in the habit of doing so. It's 6th fret all the way barred down, held down with your index finger. Ring finger 8th fret A string, pinky finger 8th fret D string, middle finger 7th fret G string. So the structure for the song, from what I've gathered, is going to be chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Your picking pattern is going to be palm muted. That's going to, the fleshy part of your hand is going to set on the base of your bridge, right where the strings connect to the guitar. And you want it to find the spot where you get that nice punchy sound. It's slightly muted, but you can still tell what note it is. But it's slightly muted, and it has that nice punchy sound. Now your rhythm, and this is going to be for the entire song, is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Once you get that rhythm down, go ahead and start playing go ahead and have the full chord formation there. So it's going to look like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Now, once you've practiced that and you have the entire rhythm down, palm muting with using the chord formations, now you can start to get a little fancy with it. This is going to be pretty hard for you beginners and maybe even some of you advanced players, because this is it's a pretty cool technique that it does take a lot of practice to really get down. So the way that it's being played is on your ups, you're taking your hand off so that it's not palm muting anymore. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So again, I know that can be kind of confusing. So down, down, up, down, up. See, I'm taking my hand off on the ups. So just take a little while. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty difficult in the beginning, but take a little while to practice that. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so now we got through all that. Like I said, I know it's very confusing and it can be very frustrating at first. I'm gonna play through it, how he's playing it in the video, so you know exactly what it looks like again. It looks like this. Okay, once you got the chorus down and you are starting to get the rhythm down, the verse should be very, very easy. It's using the same chords. You're using the F, and then you're just using that root note for your C at first, D minor, then you're going down to your B, back to F, and then to your full C chord. So the way that the verse looks in full speed is like this. Now I'm going to slow that way down and play through it a couple times so you can really see what it looks like. Starting on your F chord. So again, that's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Again, I know this is going to be frustrating for you beginners, and I know that it is going to be very hard. Your fingers are probably going to get very tired. Keep practicing, keep at it. You will get it down, and the best feeling comes from once you practice something so much and you finally do get it down and you can play it. That's where it all pays off. So keep practicing. Watch this video as many times as you need to really get it down. I'm going to play through the verse one more time at full speed so you can see what it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.